Hello Aveda artists, this is Lydia Brackett. I started 8 years ago as an apprentice in one of our salons. Everything that I know about this industry has been taught to me through Aveda. I've had the privilege of working with the best mentors who invested in my career and helped me reach my fullest potential. Not only am I passionate about my work as a stylist, but I am passionate about the Aveda brand and everything that it stands for. Fast forward to now, I am a mentor at our salons, teaching, encouraging, and supporting our apprentices to help them reach their fullest potential. I have fallen in love with educating and cultivating an environment of success. I want to give that back, the gift that I received when I began working with Aveda, and that is rooted in educating and supporting our apprentices because they are the future of our company. It would be an honor for me to work alongside the same artists who welcomed me with open arms and such love at the beginning of my journey, and a greater honor to contribute new ideas for the future of Aveda. I want to continue educating myself and continue to grow in this industry, but I want to continue doing that through Aveda, and joining this team would be a milestone in this adventure. Thank you so much for all of the wonderful opportunities that I've received and for allowing me to express myself through the years.